This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a licensed or royalty-free track and trimming your video to the final runtime. This avoids last-minute sync problems. Once chosen, listen through the full music file and mark cue points in seconds where beats or transitions match your visuals. Make sure to mute or export the original camera audio if you plan to replace it, and keep a backup copy of both video and audio so you can revert quickly if levels or timing need adjustment. You now import both video and music into your editor and place them on separate tracks. This gives precise control. Start by aligning strong beats with your primary cuts, nudging the audio in small 0, 1 to 0, 5-second increments until the visuals feel intentional. Once aligned, balance dialogue or important sounds under the music using keyframes or automation so the track sits behind speech. Also apply short crossfades at edit points to avoid click. You finish by rendering a short test clip and listening on headphones and phone to confirm sync and perceived loudness. If levels feel off, adjust overall gain or aim for platform-recommended loudness. This prevents auto-normalization surprises. Once rendered, watch full screen and note any drift. If timing slips, retime the music or try a different section of the track. If dialogue is buried, apply sidechain ducking or manual volume envelopes. These fixes solve most sync and balance problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.